this is my 2016 Z06 with the Z07 package, full carbon ceramic brakes, nice wrap here, done by One Cell Graphics, Procharged, put about 855 at the crank here, done by MJD Performance. Haven't had it at the track yet, but waiting to see what the quarter mile time will be.
Sweet. What color is the wrap?
That's a matte magnetic black.
Right, magnetic black. Cool. What kind of tires you run on this thing?
So I'm running the stock Z07 Cup 2s,
Okay.
but I did take the OEM wheels and had the powder coated white.
Very cool. Sweet. Anything else in particular about the car?
Not really. It's just a nice all-around driver. It's great for just cruising in and great for raising some hell in.
Awesome. And then the Punisher inspiration stuff, is the backstory behind that?
So yeah, it's a little twist on the Bad Boy Jake skull, and also MJD, the shop that does this, they kind of use the Punisher skull for their logo. So I kind of blended the two and incorporated it all over the car.
Very cool.
Yeah.
And your name?
It's Leon.
Leon. This is Leon's Corvette. Very cool. Well, thank you, Leon.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. Look at the car now. Absolute monster, guys.
That's it. 12 hours and 55 minutes to go home.
It is a manual as well.